As long as the third party, or a third party was at fault and has insurance, then generally you are going to be able to have a claim for a wrongful death case. A wrongful death case can happen any number of ways. Obviously we see a lot of them in car accidents, whether it was by another car, a big rig, even a motorcycle, but the cause of that accident was by some third party. Those cases, they are more difficult than your average injury case, because you get into the family members and what they depended on that person for. The injuries, they're actually, from a cost-wise, it sounds callous, they're not that high, because you didn't go to a hospital and stay in the hospital for a month, if it was an abrupt death. So it's an entirely different kind of calculation on, what that person would have earned over their career, and, raised their family and paid the mortgage. And you get into a different kind of discussion about what is, unfortunately, somebody's life worth. It's very emotional for the people, the survivors, and to have to talk to them and kind of dig into somebody's life. Again, all these cases are tragic, and dealing with the survivors is very difficult, and have to be sensitive to that, but we do have to ask a lot of questions in order to build that case. As long as the third party, or a third party was at fault and has insurance, then generally you are going to be able to have a claim for a wrongful death case. The damages can be all over the place, but that's precisely why you need a lawyer who has done a lot of these cases and understands how to put them together and bring some value to the surviving members of that family. It's tragic on the one hand, but it can also be really gratifying from the attorney's end to try and make a difference in the survivors' lives. I mean, we can never bring that person back, but at least we can not injure more people as a result of that accident. It's bad enough that somebody dies, but to have it, that ripple effect go out and affect so many other people's lives is even more tragic. Each one is absolutely unique. And again, that's why you can't just give a blanket value on what one of these is worth. It depends on so many things. So that's why you want to talk to a lawyer, go over the individual facts and circumstances of your case. The sooner you do it, the better. And, happy to try and help you on something like that. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.